Okay, graph the following lines. For y is equal to 3. In this case, that's going to be a horizontal line. So we just count up 3, 1, 2, 3. We have that point there, and we get to just draw the horizontal line that goes through that point. Use a straight edge, make a nice line, and that is going to be the equation y equals 3. If we have x equals -4, we just have to find where -4 happens. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we draw the vertical line that crosses through that point at -4. So then that's going to be x equals -4. The last one, this one, there's a couple ways you could do it. You could either find the x and y intercept by substituting 0 in for x and y and then calculating what it would be. Or you can solve to get y by itself. And that's usually what I pick, is solve to get y by itself. So I have 5x minus 2y equals 9. And the first thing we need to do to solve to get y by itself is get the y variable by itself. So we'll subtract 5x from both sides of the equation. I'll get -2y is equal to -5x plus 9. And then divide by -2. And then we get the equation y equals a negative divided by a negative is a positive, so that's going to be 5/2x, and then minus 4.5. So when we go to graph that, we should have our y-intercept of -4/2. So -4/2, which is 1, 2, 3, 4.5. And then for our slope, we should go up 5/2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then over 2. 1, 2. And then we should have our line that goes between those. And then so that's the equation, 5x minus 2y is equal to 9. Then the last thing, in standard form. So we're given a word problem here, and we have to write it in standard form. The school band is selling sweatshirts and t-shirts to raise money. The goal is to raise $1,200. Sweatshirts sell for a profit of $2.50. So sweatshirts, you make $2.50. And t-shirts, they sell for $1.50. Describe the number of sweatshirts and t-shirts the band can sell to reach the goal. So this is how much profit they get from each one of those. And the goal is to raise $1,200 exactly. So $2.50 are made for every sweatshirt that's sold, and $1.50 is made for every t-shirt that's sold. So then that's the equation written in standard form, where we have a constant on one side by itself, and then we have two variables on the right side with constants in front of them.